Change to families. This is my upline. Our today's title is Asset Building in Network Marketing. While watching this video, please take a note. Have a good time.
Hello everyone, how are you today? This is my upline. Last time we have seen how to prospect and how to build your network marketing business. As you all know, in this business, it is absolutely important that you understand the concept of the business. Direct selling or network marketing, it is absolutely important that you understand the concept of building an asset. Today, we are going to see the topic, which is asset building in network marketing. So many people in network marketing, they think that what they are doing is just selling product or services of the company. But actually, you are not just a salesperson. Of course, you do make sales, but it is not just sales that you do. It is building a consumer group for a company to consume the products and keep on adding your number of consumers in your group, in your team, so that you can have residual income. Without understanding the concept of asset building, it is not possible for you to grow a huge network marketing business. So I would like to ask you a question. What is an asset? I want you to think, contemplate on this question. What is an asset? Maybe in your mind, if you are an accountant or if you have some bookkeeping knowledge, you may say that asset is this or that, but I'm not talking about that concept of an asset. For this training purpose, asset means a complete build system that brings value by running itself. I want you to take it like this. So there is a complete build system that brings residual income by running by itself. It doesn't need your time or effort once it's built and complete. So that is an asset. So how many of you are planning or intending to build a system that keeps on bringing you a high residual income in this business? So many leaders, after doing this business for 10 years, 20 years, they still keep on doing the sales. And of course, by putting an effort to make the sales, you generate income. That is possible. But remember, there are two types of income. The first one is active income, and the second one is passive income. Passive income is an income that you put an effort to build a system. After you build the system, that system creates or generates income, and you can retire. You don't need to invest your time in order to generate the income. That is called passive income. When we talk about active income, it is an income whereby you serve either your knowledge or your effort, and of course including your time, and then based on the volume of time you put into the either business or company or whatever it is that you're generating, then you generate income. So you sell your time or knowledge and effort to get income. That is called active income. Now, active income generates immediate income. Passive income, you may not generate active income, or you may not have the income immediately, but after you build and complete the system that you're going to generate from, then you will start to generate income. So we are going to compare network marketing with asset building compared to building a building. It could be a ground plus 5 building or level 10 or different buildings. But we will compare it for this training purpose. We will take only ground plus 5 building and network marketing. Now, the first thing in any asset building is you need to have the foundation. So we need to compare between MLM business and in construction business. So in MLM business, the foundation consists of the following. The first one is you need to register with a company whereby you supply products and services through network marketing or direct selling. And in construction business, you need to get the land on which you're going to build the construction. The other one, in network marketing or multi-level marketing, you need to learn the system. You need to know what kind of system you are going to follow in order to build the huge business empire that you have dreamed to build in network marketing. In construction business, you need to get the design of the building that you're going to build. For the foundation in network marketing, you need to recruit partners. That means you need to have downlines, you need to have customers, you need to have leaders who would be working with you in this business. Meanwhile, in construction business, you need to mobilize manpower. You need to employ staff members, employ different professionals in order to build the construction. So for the foundation in network marketing, you need to teach the system for your partners, for your downlines, and for your customers. Meanwhile, in construction business, you need to have workers. They need to check in detail the design, which is prepared by the architects and the civil engineers. So somebody should be able to read the design from papers and change it into construction. In network marketing, you should be the one teaching the system that you're going to follow in network marketing, how you're going to build a huge business empire in this business, and teach one-on-one and as a group for your business partners, leaders, or downlines. In your company, you may give them different names, it doesn't matter, but it is very important that you do so. So in order to complete the foundation in network marketing business, you need to stick to the system. Now, so many leaders in this business, they don't know which system they are following. So you should get a system and follow that system. Why? Because this business is not just selling business. There are basic activities that you do in any company, in network marketing company. The first one is you do prospecting. The second one is invitation. You need to invite those people whom you have prospected and give them business presentation. Number 3 is business presentation. After that, you should have a professional follow-up. Then once people join, you need to do the retention, which is after you recruit, you need to retain. To retain, you need to have a system to train them, what to train them, how to train them, when to train them, who to train them with, and what kind of documents and materials do you need to use in order to build a huge organization. So to do so, from prospecting up to training and enabling and team building, you need to have specific formats, specific PowerPoints, specific events, specific documentations. A system in network marketing is document plus events. So you need to have specific designed events, effective events to do professional recruitment and professional retention. Also, you need to have specific documents and events in order to succeed in this business. So you need to stick to the system. Normally, the way how I built my network marketing business is through following G system, we call it, which is greatness system. We have Eric Worre has his own system, which is very good system. We used his system to grow in our business. There are so many people out there. We also use Randy Gage system. He has a multi-level money machine, the book that he wrote many years ago, and we use that one also as our system. So in a state of creating a new system which takes a lot of effort and energy, you need to stick to your company's system. If your company already has a system to build your team, then stick to it. Don't try to introduce additional system from different companies or from different uplines or resources. That is very important. So that's what you do. You stick to the system in network marketing, while in building construction, you start the foundation as per the design. You have a design on the paper, and then you measure that design, and then you put it in the ground by digging the ground. You use different machines and equipments, etc. So that's very important. So you are the foundation in network marketing business, while the foundation in construction business is in the land or on the land. So that's the difference. Remember, success in network marketing depends on your commitment, on your belief system, on your attitude, and how much you invest on your personal development. That's very important. So many leaders or so many people in network marketing, they think that it is which company they join that they succeed. They think that it's which team they join they succeed, or they think, different ideas. But, companies are absolutely important. You should join to a company where you buy products and services, you believe in the products and services. That's important. That's the basics. Once you have that basics, what matters most in succeeding in network marketing is how much effort you put in the business, and do you believe in yourself? Do you really think that you can succeed? Do you really think that you deserve to succeed? That is very important. So if you do so, then you are a very good foundation. Otherwise, I see some network marketers, they join one team, and then after trying for a couple of months, then they quit there and they join another team again, thinking that the best team will help them to succeed. Teams are very important support systems, but the major thing, the foundation, is you and your thinking and your belief system. You need to believe that it is possible. You need to believe that it is you desire to succeed, and you need to believe that whatever you don't know now, through continuous education, you can succeed, you can read, and you can achieve the desired results. That's the foundation. Now, when we say that you are the foundation of this business, it is very important that you need to commit. It's not only your thought, it's also your commitment. Some people, they leave their job, they leave their education, they quit wherever they work, and they start full-time in network marketing. They say that I'm a full-time network marketer, but the problem is they don't commit the basic activities, which is prospecting. They don't do the number of prospecting they are expected to do. They don't do the invitation, presentation, etc. So they don't commit. They leave their job. They leave whatever responsibilities they had, and instead of committing here, they just waste their time. So network marketing is just like the other businesses. It is a business. If it is a business, you need to invest more time. You need to do the basics. So commit yourself on the basics. Now, what are the basics? If you remember, in our previous videos, we have seen about prospecting, and we have talked about the number of prospecting you need to touch. The higher the number, the better the law of average success. So your success depends on numbers. Success is a number game. When we say number game, whether you go to college, it is the number of rights or the number of marks you score that decides your success. If you are an athlete, it is the number of minutes that you decrease or seconds you decrease in breaking the records that really matters, etc., etc., etc. If it is in business or selling some equipment, then the number of sales you make decides your success in that business. So commitment is very important. So how do you commit? Don't expect your upline to come and motivate you. Don't expect your sidelines or upline or the company to come and expect you. Become an upline for yourself. You are the foundation, means you need to shoulder everything. For a building, the foundation shoulders everything. All the load of the building comes to the basement. That's why if you need to grow big in this business, you need to be the best foundation. To be the best foundation, you need to read, you need to develop, you need to do the business and fail as many times as possible. The more you fail, the more perfection you get closer to, and then you succeed. So that is number one. Number two, so you need to pay the price to be a very good foundation in network marketing. That is, you need to have a stop doing list. Some people, they come to this business, this profession, and what they do is they start to do the business, but they also continue doing their old habits. For example, they may sleep early, or they may wake up late, or they may have so many social lifetime, or they may watch movies, they may also go to the stadiums, etc. So by doing, by investing less time in this business, you can't get more results. So the capital of this business is time and people. So you need to invest more time into this business to get more results. So you need to have stop doing list. I remember when I started this business many years ago, I didn't go to cinemas. I didn't have any social activities. I didn't have any meetings with my friends. You know, I didn't go to the cafes and sit down and waste my time. So I had lots of stop doing list. So everything was focused to my business. Even friends, I have to change my friends into those who are willing to do this business, because it will help me to focus my thought, my energy, my emotion toward this business. But if I have friends who are doing something else, you know, whenever I meet them, then they will distract me. It's not because I don't like them, I don't love them, no, but it's because I was angry and hungry for my success. So I need to focus on this business. So you need to have stop doing list. What things are you willing to sacrifice, to stop temporarily for a year or two, maybe for 3, 4, 5 years, so that after you build your business empire, then you can go back and relax, enjoy. Pay now, play later. That is called paying the price. Some people, they don't want to change their lifestyle. You need to change your lifestyle in order to get a different result. By doing the same thing, you can't expect to get different results. The next one is let your business take off. As Eric Worre says, it's like an airplane. You know, an airplane cannot keep on going on the ground forever. It has to take off if it has to fly to somewhere. So if your business has to fly to somewhere, it has to take off. In order to take off your business, you need to have massive energy, massive prospecting, massive number of presentations in the beginning. The first 3 to 6 months, you need to focus yourself in inviting as many people as possible, prospecting as many people as possible, so that you have number of downlines, number of customers who are buying the products and services of the company, so that you can start to generate income. Once you start to generate income, it will help you to become a testimony for your additional customers or for your downlines, to inspire them to succeed or to show them that this business is really working. So that's very important. The next one to pay the price is focus. Focus is absolutely important in any field area for you to be successful. What does focus means? You need to focus in your thoughts. Your thoughts every day, you need to keep on thinking, where can I prospect? How can I prospect better? How can I improve my prospecting methods? How can I improve my presentation methods? Or who can I ask in order to improve my efficiency in presentation? Or how can I close more prospects so that I can earn more, or I can build a huge organization? That is focus. Every day keep on asking, not only asking yourself, ask your uplines, ask your sidelines, and read books on network marketing, watch videos. There are so many leaders in the world who are freely giving trainings about on how to succeed in this network marketing business. So you need to focus. You may have some challenges. For example, you may have rejections in your business. Whenever you face rejections, it could be like you prospect 100 people, or you present 100 people and all of them reject you. Then instead of blaming yourself, or instead of saying that this business does not work, you need to go back and check, where did I get it wrong? How can I improve so that next time one person can accept me? I remember when I started this business, my upline asked me to prepare 150 name list. Then I wrote everybody that I know from my phone contact list, and from whichever source that I can get, I prepared 150 people. So I put everybody that I know. Then my upline asked me, okay, now it is time that you invite them, and then I will give them the business presentation until you know how to deliver this presentation. So I started to invite, and she started to give presentation for them. I listed 150 people, my friends, my family members, and my acquaintance, everybody that I know. Then everybody rejected me. Then I went back to my upline and I asked her, okay, you told me to write 150 names, which I did, and you told me to invite them, which I did, and then nobody joins. What's next? Then she told me, you have two options. Number one, you can quit and go back and live the life that you want to live. Number two, I will teach you on how to talk to strangers. Then she said, the strangers, they don't know how poor you are. Strangers, they don't know how messy you are. They don't know you, so they respect you, she said. Then the moment she told me this one, I already loved them, because they don't know my mistakes, and they so they respect me, or at least they will not look down on me. So she told me, you just need to get dressed well and then prospect them. So she started to show me on how to talk to people, strangers, in taxis, minibuses, etc. Then on the streets, in a cafe. Then step by step I start to learn on how to talk to people. Then finally I got my first downline, who is a stranger, and then my friends started to join, my family members started to join step by step. My business grew. So that is very important. Focus. You may have problems now, you may get rejections, you may fail in the business, but you will never remain failure if you focus your thought and emotions on how to solve the problems that you're facing now in your business. That is focus. So to be a very good foundation in your business, you need to pay the price. To pay the price, you need to focus that 80% of your time should be focused on recruitment, especially the first year in your business. 80% plus of your time should be focused in recruitment. Why? Without recruiting and having a huge number of downlines and a huge number of customers, it is very difficult for you to take off in this business and to go to the next level. So many leaders I see in different parts of the world, they recruit and they get a couple of downlines, maybe 5 or 10, and then instead of keeping on prospecting, invitation and recruitment, they focus on trying to train their downlines only, and they expect to produce from a small number to a huge number, which is possible but difficult, because your downlines, they want to do what you do. Monkey see, monkey do, we call it in this business. So always show your leaders by becoming an example. What do you want them to do? Do it yourself. How much commitment do you expect from them? Commit yourself in this business and show them how you're doing it. So 80% of your time should be focused on recruitment so that you can be a very good foundation